Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track sales performance in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you want to understand what's working, where deals are getting stuck, and how your team is progressing toward your goals, this is one of the most useful areas of Pipedrive to know. By the end, you'll have a clear visual report that highlights exactly how your sales are performing, and you'll know where to find it whenever you need a quick update. Instead of guessing based on memory or manually checking every deal, you'll be able to look at one report and quickly understand the bigger picture. Start by heading to the Insights area on the left sidebar. This is Pipedrive's built-in analytics hub, and it's where all your reporting lives. Opening Insights sets you up to create a focused view of your sales data without digging through individual deals or leads. This is especially helpful if you want to track progress over the week, review monthly performance, or prepare for a sales meeting. Next, look to the top left and click Create, then choose Report. This opens a clean canvas where you decide what data you want to analyze. Creating a report here keeps everything centralized and easy to revisit later. Once it's built, you can come back to it any time instead of recreating the same view from scratch. Now, choose the sales entity you want to track, deal, lead, or revenue forecast, and then select the report type. Think of the entity as the data source and the report type as how you want it structured. For example, deals are great for measuring volume and value. Leads help you see top-of-funnel activity, and revenue forecast gives you a forward-looking view. Picking the right combination ensures your report answers the exact question you have. So if you want to know how many opportunities are moving through your pipeline, choose Deals. If you want to understand how many new prospects are coming in, choose Leads. And if you want to estimate future revenue, Revenue Forecast is the better option. With the report framework set, apply your filters. Filters narrow your focus so you see only what matters, such as a specific date range, a particular pipeline team members, or deal stages. Keeping filters relevant helps prevent noisy or misleading results and makes trends much easier to spot. For example, you might filter by this month, by one sales rep, or by one pipeline if you only want to review a specific part of your sales process. Choose the chart format that best tells the story, like bar, line, or pie, and then select the measure you want to track. The measure is the key metric behind your visualization, such as the number of deals, total deal value, or won value. For performance tracking, many teams favor measures like deal count or total value grouped by stage, owner, or month. Pick what aligns with your goals so your chart is instantly understandable. A bar chart can be great for comparing sales reps or stages. A line chart works well for tracking performance over time, and a pie chart can help show how deals are distributed across categories. When everything looks right, click Save at the top right to create the report. Saving locks in your setup and makes the report accessible anytime without rebuilding it. Your new report will now appear on your dashboard, ready for easy monitoring. Before saving, it's a good idea to give the report a clear name, like Monthly Deal Performance or Sales Value by Owner, so it's easy to recognize later. From here, you can quickly spot trends, compare performance over time, and keep an eye on what's driving results. Make a habit of checking this view regularly so you can celebrate wins, catch slowdowns early, and stay aligned with your targets. For example, if you notice deals are piling up in one stage, that may be a sign your team needs to improve follow-ups, proposals, or approvals at that point in the process. And that's it. You've created a clear, trackable sales performance report in Pipedrive using Insights, and it's right on your dashboard for quick reference whenever you need it. Once you have this set up, it becomes much easier to make smarter decisions, coach your team, and stay focused on the numbers that actually move your business forward.